It's always good to take the lens cap off the camera. Hi, I'm Carl from Bear Creek Woodworking and welcome back to my shop. Today I have something exciting to share with you. I built my dream tool cabinet charging station. You can see it behind me. I took the time to measure out my tools and lay it out the way that I wanted it. So, like to me, this is the ultimate tool cabinet charging station, or my words, my dream tool cabinet charging station. Can you tell I'm a little bit excited about this? Okay, let's get on with this and I'll show you how I built it. So in this project, I'm going to have some vertical tool dividers in between each drill driver and sander and so forth. I could leave them just nice and straight. I thought about that, but I've decided to make them have a curve on them. It's a little more decorative that way, I think. And also, I think that when you reach in to get a drill driver or sander, whatever's in that bay, it just makes it a little bit easier to get in there also. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and show you how I came up with this arc. Okay, so to mark out the radius of this arc, I simply go along, measure 3 inches down from each end. Then I looked around my shop for some type of a curve. So what I found was this 5-gallon bucket, so that's what I'm going to use. So I simply take the edge of the bucket, line it up to the 2 marks that I made on the 3-inch point. So the 2 marks are right there. And then simply just trace a line with a pencil around it. And that gives me a very nice line to be able to cut out my bandsaw. And then I simply use my bandsaw and cut it out. And then I take my palm router with a round over bit, a 3/8 round over bit. I'm going to round over these edges. I got this block of wood here in order to better stabilize my router, so that when I get towards the edge, I got the base of the router is on 2 pieces of wood so it won't tip. And then I use a drum sander mounted in my drill press to sand these curves. So in closing, I'd just like to tell you that this tool cabinet is not actually completed yet. I'm going to put barn doors on both sides. They'll be on a track, they'll slide in, open and close like that, of course. The center will usually be open, so I can easily grab my drill drivers and so forth, play my radio, charge batteries very easily. So there's a little bit of work still to do with it. So if you see some tools or supplies in this video that you like, check out the links below. I put many of the tools and supplies I've used to build this in those links. Those are affiliate links, so if you do buy from those links, it does help to support my channel at no extra cost to you. So I hope you enjoyed watching me build this dream tool cabinet / charging station. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day.